Hey guys, my name's Jansen Fancher. I'm with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Come aboard this 2019 Harris Float Boat 270 Grand Mariner. This flooring here is very quick drying, so if you guys do go for a swim or do decide to cove out, super easy. We've got enough storage to go around, let me tell you. I mean, there's just storage to go around. Easy cup holders, dual hinge seats, super easy. And here, we have dual USB ports to charge your phones. You got the LED color accent package. Over here, same LEDs, same cup holder. Your tow storage in here, ski storage. There is a lot of space in there, ladies and gentlemen, a lot. Over to our left here, we've got the JL Audio 10-inch subwoofer, additional storage, and if you guys do need the changing room, we can install that. As we move towards the rear, more storage. Easy access to all your electronics, additional storage here in the helm. Storage everywhere. Battery switch access here, as well as easy battery access. This does come with the power tower, or power bimini, excuse me. More storage, well equipped with the JL Audio stereo system. It is their Diamond series. Lounger, super easy and convenient to adjust. As we approach the rear, we've got this 12-volt charger, dual USBs, a remote for the JL Audio stereo system. Lots of storage back here. There's 4 full-size fenders, as well as table storage and anything else. You have a swim step or seat here. And this is also powered by a 350 horsepower Mercury Verado. If you guys have any questions or comments, give me a call 573-606-3029. Thank you.